Good morning, figaholic friends. We're along our driveway again on this hedgerow of fig trees that I did last week. Last week I couldn't find any ripe Sierra that hadn't been eaten by birds, and most of them are up high. Sorry for the highway traffic noise. This is Labor Day, September 3rd, and it's not early, so it's not too bad yet, but anyway, we get a lot of traffic on the highway. But I did, get some fruit. I just picked a fruit from this branch here. I had to pull it down with one hand and pick it. Large fig. This is Sierra, and it's one of the two varieties that the University of California bred and released, and this one was not patented. This makes a main crop only, and you can see there's some more ripe fruit down here. There's some that have dropped on the driveway, but most of those were damaged by bird. This is a very vigorous growing tree, and it produces some very large branches quickly. We did cut a bunch of them back last winter, and I think all of these big ones will be cut back or maybe even removed completely again, so that we can get fruit within picking reach from the ground. But anyway, let's take a look at this fig here. I'll get in the sun here. It's a very sweet fig. I had a friend suggesting I do use my refractometer and take Brix readings of all of these, but I'm pretty challenged with my work schedule as it is right now, trying to do so many videos of so many varieties and doing it, I said single-handedly. I have two hands, but I would need to have a toolbox with me to wipe my refractometer, and I've had a hard time getting good readings on figs sometimes, unless they're very juicy and just different parts of the fruit are have different sweetness levels. But also I know from other fruits, sometimes a fruit can taste very sweet but not really be as sweet as another fruit that or have as much sugar as another fruit that tastes less sweet because of other flavors that are competing, especially acid. This is a large fig. This is, I would say, moderately to very sweet. I'd say this is a melon flavor of moderate intensity. It's very jammy, very moist. The skin holds up well. I didn't show the eye on this here, but it was bred to have, well, it was selected because of a closed eye. This fruit is overripe. I'm not going to bite into it, but it's got a closed eye. And here's an even larger one, but I've eaten enough and I have more figs to take. So again, this is Sierra. Thanks for watching.